Today we are going to Disney
Kingdom.
World Magic Kingdom for
Mickey Not So Scary Halloween Party.
Yay!
Yay!
And let me show you our outfit. Go first. What are you wearing?
Mickey jersey. Apparently it glows in the dark. Pants. Crocs.
And carrot scarf. Alright, and for my outfit I have this off the shoulder stitch t-shirt, some skirts, and my rosy puma. And oh, don't forget the main character. We have our little Rex. Are we ready to go?
Yes.
Let's go. We are going to refill our resort mug.
There's Mickey on it.
Yep. Just making sure we are staying hydrated.
Alright.
We are taking the boat to Magic Kingdom. This weather is so perfect. It's not hot and not too cloudy.
And you're a princess. Even though you're not dressed up.
Hello.
Hello, welcome aboard.
Thank you. Perfect.
Thank you. We are here at Magic Kingdom.
And it's hot. Very
Yes.
hot.
We thought it was gonna rain, but nope. It's pretty sunny. And the boat ride took us about 10-15 minutes, so that's not too bad. But we're here now. We got our band.
Party.
Yeah, it's a Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. What are we in line for?
I don't know what it is.
It's like a Mickey magic show.
It was the first one on the right side. We didn't have to do this last time. We're doing it today.
Yeah, and it's only 15 minutes. So.
I don't know. I don't think so.
Candy to the right, folks. You already paid for it. Come back to the plan. You already paid for it. It's free candy. Well, it's technically at no additional cost, but it's free. Right this way, right, Willa. Right this way.
Fill the bag. Eat some. Refill. Eat some. Walk out. Full bag. Got it, Wolf? Oh, sorry. All werewolves, they're paging you to Tomorrowland. No pressure. Do it. Do it.
Okay.
I do. I know everything. Especially about fashion and new and is looking.
It's not as busy as we thought. So that's
Yeah.
great. The
Yeah.
lines are kind of reasonable. Except for Tron. That's still 50 minutes long. But it should go slower. when
But
the
no
party-
matter how long it is, we will still
Wrong.
gonna wait for Tron.
Wrong.
Yes, we will. If I can, I will ride Tron twice, honestly. If I can.
Okay, easy there, girl. The last time we were here, it was dark, so we didn't really get to see it.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's true.
Because we were focused on the other side of the park last time.
Yeah.
This time we're focusing on this side, starting with Adventureland.
Now we're planning to go on that ride over there. It looks fun. I know it's for kids, but I want to go on it. We're going on the magic carpet. Yay!
Look for your number on the walkway.
Thank you. We are number 9. Okay, so how was the magic carpet?
It was fun until I got wet.
It was kind of scary to like go down, you know?
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, it was. It was kind of scary. That's why I just like stay in one place. Because I'm the one who controlled it. We are waiting for our reservation at
The Beak and Barrel.
Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Have a great day.
Thank you. So we have a maximum times of 45 minutes. Yep.
They're busy.
Yeah, they're really busy. It's
The menu's
hard to
nice.
get them.
Importantly, hold on! My Barbosa's cursed monkey!
Never let go! There's room on the floor! There's room on the floor! Never let go! My heart's going to go on now.
You said barrels, right?
Crew? Swabbies? Is everyone alright?
Hi.
Let's have fair winds from now on, no? Drink up, me hearties! Yo!
Our drink came and I got the Buried Treasure sour beer and the other one is the Lit Fuse.
Oh, that's our Hungary spice. Too fruity. Not really sour.
Got a Kraken catch.
It looks okay. It looks like a ceviche kind of thing. Go all the way to the bottom.
You gotta dig those treasure. That's what he said.
I'm not getting any treasure. All I'm getting is... Yeah, it's okay.
Any good?
It's alright.
All our food's going to be right up here for you. Non-alcoholic right below it.
I like it.
Okay.
And it's a combination of
Well, shiver my timbers! Where's that heavenly sound coming from? Ah! Oh no, oh no! My black-beard sizzling whiskers! Crew! Sound the alarm! Mermaids! We got mermaids! All hands! Cheer the race! Yes, please! Fire the soul! Turn us into spellbound fools!
Okay, so how was Beak and Barrel?
The cocktails and beer was okay. It wasn't the best, but you're paying to, you know, for the experience, the atmosphere.
Yes, for the atmosphere, the vibes. It's really nice in there.
Here's a song by the most famous Florida pirate of them all, Captain Jimmy Buffett. Oh, now I don't know. I don't know. I don't know where I'm gonna go when the volcano blows. Sing it. Sing I don't.
So we just ordered a Cajun crawfish and sausage poutine. We've seen the light, it's too dark. Yummy. Oh wait, what's that? What do we get?
Poutine.
That one? This is sausage, right?
Yeah, crawfish.
Okay, yeah, that's what we got.
It's okay.
So we'll
Think about crawfish.
come back that way, but wait.
So the sauce is good, but
Toronto will be closed.
there's not that many crawfish and there's lots of fries. So basically it's just
So we paid close to 15.
Yeah. So this is just fries with like sauce. We got the goods. The buzzard wings.
But it's so good. It's not that good.
Chicken soy sauce with a side of tomato and jalapeno. We are on our way to ride Tron.
The parade's happening right now, but the
Yeah.
line for Tron is really short, like 20 minutes.
Yeah, so we're taking this chance to ride Tron.
We have another chance at the parade at around 9, 10.
Yeah, there's a second parade, so we'll just miss the first one and go to the second one. We made it to Tron. That was a pretty long walk, but we made it. The best ride at Magic Kingdom. We just finished riding Tron. It was so good. It was our second time and it's still as good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A bit too short.
It is. I wish it was longer. Next ride is Space Mountain.
Big surprise.
It was.
That was a kiddie ride. But,
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, we thought it was a kiddie ride, but then it was so aggressive. I think it was more aggressive than Tron.
For Halloween, they turn off all the lights, so you can like there's no lights at all in there.
I think my arms is kind of hurt because I like grip so hard because I'm afraid I might fall off, and the seat was so open, like there's barely anything to like, keep us intact, you know?
I think it's just you.
No, I think because you're big, maybe I'm small. That's why I feel like I'm about to fall off the ride. We are riding the Pooh Bear right now. Oh my gosh, look at them. They're so cute.
On tightly, Rule. Look, Mama,
Okay, time to eat some more food. We got the
Jalapeno ranch.
chili tots, chili bacon tots, and strawberry limeade slushies.
Too sweet.
It is a little sweet.
It's okay.
We're gonna eat quickly and then go grab a spot for the fireworks and parade.
didn't get to do any trick-or-treating. We only did it once.
We did it like last minute, but we got a bunch of
We did get to ride Tron, a few other rides that are normally longer, like 40 to 50 minutes, or 20 to 30 minutes. So we thought it was a win-win. And the parade was fun. There's a lot of shows going on too. Overall, it was a great time. Come again?
obviously.